Have you ever been on TEMU and asked yourself,
wow, that was such a great deal.
well, we did, and turns out, it was all a fucking scam. So let me tell you, a few weeks back, TEMU reached out to us and asked us to review their drones. We agreed, expecting some 8K high quality camera drones that we could use for filming. But what we got was a lump of shit with propellers on it. To start off, upon opening the drone, we realized how many manuals there were.
Is that it?
Nope. French, Chinese, Doppelganger,
Wait.
Chinese. There was no English one.
Further clarification, let The Rock tell you in Chinese.
Uh-oh. Chinese?
Ding bang ding dong, his don't go ai.
So we spent the next half hour deciphering the Chinese manual, and it was a nightmare. From what we understood, we needed to turn on the drone, then the controller, connect it to the app somehow, spin it in like some random ass circles, and then do some wild combination of movements on the controller to turn on the props. Eventually, we figured it out, and the drone turned on. When we took off, first thing we noticed was how f***ing slow that thing was.
Oh
my God, let's go.
Took off.
Okay. Full speed ahead.
Why is it? Why is it so slow, bro?
It's so slow. That's full speed.
Bro,
Like,
bring
that's
it by. Bring it
that's
by.
actually full speed.
Wait, bring it by. Go down. Go down.
Bro, watch this.
Go full speed, bro.
That's literally full
He's about to
speed.
wheel by. Holy shit.
Man, it was barely hitting half a kilometer per hour. Then we went on to do a range test.
Reach this distance.
Ha!
Bro, there's
Already?
Reach this
Bro, what the
Are you
fuck?
kidding me?
That's 30 meters. That's like not even.
Reach
It's like, yeah, it's like 30 meters, bro.
That's like, wait, what? That's like 30 meters, bro.
distance limit.
That's not. And now we can't even
Is this
move.
in, like-
You can't even move out now.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, I can't.
You can't move.
It's just stuck.
It's just stuck in
Dude,
the.
if this was above like somebody's house or something, you would not be able to get the drone back. Okay, look. It's just turning.
Reach distance.
It's just stuck.
Reach distance.
You can only go up and down. Like, let's go closer.
Yo, what is this?
Reach distance limit. Reach.
Hey, it's like, shut the fuck up. Okay, come down. Hey, just bring it down.
Yo, like there's no like okay. It just froze. Like it just froze. It's not. It genuinely just froze.
It's not moving, bro.
Bro, are you kidding me?
Oh!
Oh, it's moving.
Oh, it's moving.
No.
Is it?
Oh, it's going
Oh,
back.
it's back. It's back.
That thing only went 30 meters. Oh, but that can't be all that's bad about the drone, right? Right? Fuck. The camera quality was so ass, you could compare it to a reflection off a brick wall. The video capped at 720p, but that's not what made it bad. It was the fact that the FPS was -5. And you know, yeah, the drones are bad, don't buy them. But here's the problem. TEMU claims that this drone has 8K high definition dual cameras. Oh, did I mention that there's no way to even access the second camera? And more, TEMU says it has 2-kilometer flight range, but we already know that's not true. Point is, TEMU is lying about their products, which should be absolutely illegal in my eyes, and it's just an absolute scam. Thanks for watching.
You know the rules, and so